Mature OEMs are often saddled with legacy systems that don't talk to each other, and this makes it difficult for them to transform. EV companies are born digital. As an example of our support to an EV startup, we developed their PLM systems from scratch, supported them on SAP implementation and MES, and in the process created a digital foundation to enable them to start production and also prepare them for aggressive production ramp up.
For an EV startup organization, we put in place a well-balanced enterprise architecture with digital process flows, implementing their PLM engineering applications on 3ds platform and SAP S/4HANA as their business system application. This architecture helped them in taking the demands from the customers effectively, structure an efficient supply chain plan by consuming the data from the PLM applications, and pass it on to manufacturing for the physical build of the products with complete traceability. This is the very crux of digital transformations where auto OEMs leverage technologies to launch their complex product in a shortest possible time.
Digital transformation for an OEM is not an IT strategy to deploy software tools, but more importantly, it is to bring a synergy between people, data, process, and technology. Our Digital X.O offerings help businesses accelerate their digital transformation journey and improve the maturity of key work processes. We help organizations to meet their short-term tactical initiatives as well as reap the comprehensive benefits of large-scale digital transformational strategies.